I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select actions. Pabbly. Give here the webhook link. So visit Pabbly dashboard. Create workflow. Give a name. Create. Search a trigger webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Pabbly site and choose the actions. Airtable. Choose action event. Create record. Connect. Add new connection. Give here token. So click on Developer Hub. Create token. Give here a token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token and paste it here. Save. Map the respective fields. Save. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via Pabbly. Thanks for watching.